I'm Justine Gaume, the co-leader of the case study 6. It's about aquatic system restoration and water management in France. So the aim of the case study 6 is to provide effective and also environmentally friendly solutions to water issues in France, especially drought and floods. Follower is more focusing on developing mechanism of financing through the participation of private funds. And the demo site is more focusing on river restoration and also wetland restoration to increase the flows during the summer periods. The main objective is to help some stakeholders to put in place a nature-based solution. During the first year, we selected the sites, so one sub-catchment area for the follower and 7 sites for the demo sites. And then the time came to start the monitoring and also gather some information through the bibliography and also discussion with stakeholders. And it varies the starting point of the study of the NBSs, because then we can compare the before and after NBS, and so we can know the effects of the NBS. So with climate change, there is an increasing amount of extreme events. So it's important to slow down flows on our territories by restoring wetlands and floodplains, etc. And so from this awareness will come the ability to provide sufficient water to everybody in the next years.